Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Welcome back to my craft room. My hallway. I'm working in my hallway this week between my bedroom and my kitchen because my bedroom is full of crafting supplies and I cannot even get into my craft room. I am a craft hoarder and I cannot stop buying crafts. And right now I don't have the space to put it anywhere. I wanted to show you what I hauled and I'm so super excited, of course. I always am when I find crafting goodies, but let's dig right in. This is the Savers, but first, Michael's had a $5 voucher, so I was able to pick up this Be My Valentine paper pad and this wax seal kit. After the $5 coupon, I think I paid $1 for both. Love that. I didn't have anything that was Christmas that I could find, so I wanted to scoop that up. And I think I saw Laura at Laura's Plans Crafts haul this one, and so I said I wasn't going to buy one, but since it was free, scored those after Christmas. That was really all they actually had. Savers, which is another type of Goodwill in our area, every Monday they do 50% off of the entire store. I happen to have Monday off and so did my daughter, so we headed up there. The store was so crowded, but it was so worth it. We had so much fun. The first thing that I picked up are these pom-poms. They were 99 cents. I recently found these at a yard sale in the orange color, so when I found them in blue, I was super excited. These are great for packaging and decorating. Super, super fun for 99 cents. There were a ton of these and I just scooped them up. They were such a good deal. So regularly $4.99 and half off, so $2.50. I have no idea what's in here, so let's dig in. Okay, so it looks like they stapled it to the packagings that's in here. Let's see if I can get that apart. This is Stampin' Up! Seasonal Lantern. Inside, the die and the matching stamps, and it looks like it comes with a set of 2 for the lantern and then some sentiments. That is amazing. Autumn greetings, merry with Christmas cheer, happy Hanukkah, twinkle and glow. So fun. I don't have very many Stampin' Up! Items. The ones that I do have are from yard sales. This is a great collection, stamp and die set. Already so worth the $2.50. This is frosted gingerbread. Let's see what's inside. Wow, another stamp and die set. This is amazing. So we have the stamps. It doesn't look like it's ever been used. And then we have the dies. This is awesome. Here's what they look like. Very, very cool. So happy with that. And this one is Peaceful Cabin. These are the red rubber mounted ones. Very nice. And let's see. This also has the dies. I am speechless because this is amazing. These have never been used and these are wonderful Christmas collections. So that was the first package. Let's dig into this one. This one was also, so it was $4.99 half off, so it was $2.50. Let's dig right in. All right, looks like we have a Halloween set. I'm not sure who this is from. They are red rubber mounted ones. They are super cute. Love them all. Definitely cut these out in my scan and cut. This one is Summer Afternoon. And these are also the rubber mounted. Very pretty. And this one is a Christmas one. Not sure who this is from either, but we have the Christmas tree. We have little polar bears, a little penguin, a snowman. Super cute for Christmas. And then we have a tiny to and from, which is adorable. So cute. Love that. Great deal for $2.50. Okay, you guys, total score in this bag. All right, let's see. Another $2.50. This is Jingle All the Way. Some really nice, fun sentiments. This looks like it's never been used. It is the red rubber mounted. We have Joyful Nativity. These are the clear. Looks like one was used. That does not matter. Love that. We have Carols of Christmas. These are also the red mounted. They have never been used. So fun. This is a great size sentiment. Jar of Cheer. So cute. We have the jar and these go in the middle. These are clear, which is great. Love all of those. All of those, another great score. There was 4 in that one for $2.50. Another $2.50 bag. Let's take a look inside. Definitely gonna have to make a list of Stampin' Up stamps that I have so that I can weed out any duplicates. We have the Bright Baubles. Not sure if that's how you pronounce it. We have the red rubber mount and the dies. Amazing. These are a great size. I love them so much. So fun. This is going to be great for Christmas. Then we have Simon Says stamps. This is from 2015. Do something creative every day. That's fun. This is for New Year. Very merry. Happy holidays. Wishing you a season of joy and wonder. These are super cute. This is for holidays. This is seasonal scattered. This is so pretty. Really nice size. These are red rubber mounted. Love that. And this is a big shot framelits holiday ornaments. Let's see what's in here. This is the frames, the cutting dies for ornaments. Very cool with all the Christmas paper I recently hauled. These are gonna make great ephemeras, great die cuts. That was a great deal. So there was 4 in there for $2.50. Amazing. Cannot wait to try and fit all this stuff into my craft room. This was $5.99. So this pack was $3. And let's dig in. All right, we have a Halloween set. These are super cute and spooky. I love these girls. These girls will cut great, no doubt, on my scan and cut. These are so fun. I absolutely love Halloween. So cute. And this one is a Christmas set. We have Santa and the elf and a reindeer, the North Pole. Very cool. Hoping you can see those the way the hallway light is. This one is another Christmas one. Very cute. And this one, we have the snowman, the border. This is cute. We have the little stamp, little snowman. So fun. Great deal. So all of these were $3. Love it. Love. And, okay, what is this? Oh, I bought some of these repair forms. They were 99 cents. I like to put stuff like this in my junk journal, so I will be adding that to my junk journal box. Picked up some of the golden books. We got The Pokey Little Puppy and Big Bird's Day on the Farm, and these were 75 cents each. A little bit more than I like to pay, but they were in really good condition, so I scooped them up. Oh, we have another bag of stamps in here. I did not see that for actually this one's cheaper, $2.25. Let's see what we have. To you and yours too. This is a Christmas one, and this is the clear stamps. Very cool. This looks like an ornament topper. Then this is Happy Scenes. Very cute. We have some Christmas as well as I see some Halloween in here. These are the clear stamps. The Sizzix, this is the Thinlits, Jen Long. I may have this one, the Bell Jar. If I do, this will be getting gifted. It's super cute. I love the trees like that. And we have Spooky Fun. These are so stinking cute. I can't even. These are clear stamps as well. Then we have Sparkly Seasons. This is so cool. It actually has the pumpkin face, the ballerina. Love it. Is that a pumpkin face or a snowman? I feel like it's a pumpkin face, but that's the only thing that would be pumpkin. And these are clear mounted stamps as well. Very cool. That was a great deal for $2.25, all of those. And I don't have any of these, which is just amazing to me. I have so much stuff and I don't have any of this stuff. And then the last 2 things in this haul are these flowers. So $2.50 for each package. So $1.25 for the jar. Let's dig in. Okay, so these are from Prima. This is Summer Fun. These are the yellows, so pretty. And this one doesn't have a name on it. This says Got Flowers. This is the red. And then we have this one, and this is Rosy Red. This is also Prima. And this one has no name on it. And this is, oh, it says mulberry paper flowers. So mulberry, I can't see. I need a magnifying glass. $1.25 each for those. And that is it. That is my, oh, my dog's trying to get through. That is my Crafty Savers yard sale haul. Guys, what an amazing deal. I'm so grateful. I'm so lucky that I'm able to find such good items. I know I have a crafting, hoarding situation going on. I just love to craft so much and I love to make crafty items and I cannot pass up such amazing deals. And in my head, I'm always like, I'm giving all of these things a second life and I'm gonna use them and love them so much. Yeah. So anyway, I'm struggling with my space and how much I've been purchasing lately. And like I said, I'm in my hallway and I don't have room in my other rooms. Thank goodness my husband isn't bothered by my craft things. He knows how much I enjoy them. And he also knows that I do eventually find homes for all of my things. And yeah, that's about it, guys. I'm sure that many of you can relate. Actually, if you can relate, leave me a comment down below. Are you a craft hoarder like I am? Or are you really good about purging what you don't use? That's about it, guys. I thank you guys so much for stopping by and have a great day. Bye, guys.